Good day. How you guys doing today? This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in from BFN, the Business Financial Network. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It totally depends where you're watching us from. I know that there's people worldwide paying attention to how the markets are going to be going, and we want to talk a little bit about the mentality and the necessary emotional intelligence that you need, the intellect that you need to control how you feel about making investments. And a lot of people have tendencies of feeling very interesting ways, both FOMO and yes, the fear of missing out, and just regret. This year was a very interesting year. There was a lot of interesting trades that happened. I don't know if you guys, today we're going to be going over 7 different investments strategies that you could take advantage of in 2021, specifically maybe even the first week. The first one I want to talk to you guys a bit about is cinemas, right? It's the weekend. It's a Saturday. I'm in my relaxed gear. This is the time when, as it is the first, weekend in 2021, this is where people are going to, spend time indoors. I don't know if you're in a cold place or if you're in a warm place, but most people are spending time watching TV, watching movies. 2020 was a really interesting year for movies. There wasn't many really good movies that came out. I know everyone's probably sitting around watching Wonder Woman right now. Well, Warner Brothers, the second largest film company in the world, just announced that they're going to be releasing movies that are going to go along with streaming and going to be released in alignment with the a theater release, a box office release, okay? Sorry for the tongue tie. So what will happen this year then is every movie that you see, there'll be a streaming version and a box office version. What do you guys think? Do you think that these big cinema companies are going to be able to bounce back after the pandemic? We love to hear what you have to say. Like, subscribe, share, comment in the video in below. It's really, really important for people to get this information out there. So just like airlines, just like cruise liners, we want to know what you think. Just like in our group, we have an idea of the way things are going to go. However, we want to hear what the public has to say. So please tell us what you guys think about cinemas bouncing back after the pandemic. Yesterday, I talked to you guys a bit about Bitcoin. Did you guys see what happened? Well, we weren't joking. We are of the opinion that Bitcoin is stored value, both technology, software, and infrastructure. We know it's going one place, and that's up. Yesterday, it was at 29,000. Today, it broke 32,000, approached 33,000. Congratulations to all our members and all the traders out there that take advantage of those moves. Today, we're going to be going over publicly traded entities that are in the space, that are connected to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, and who are going to benefit from the rise in Bitcoin. So first and foremost, let's talk about Galaxy Digital Holdings. Ticker symbol GLXY. Galaxy has a tremendous amount of Bitcoin under its current management. It is a diversified multi-service merchant bank dedicated to the digital assets and blockchain technology industry. The company operates through 4 business lines: trading, principal investing, asset management, and advisory service. Just to give you guys an idea, there's the 1-month chart on this bad boy. Look at it. It's beauty, isn't it? It basically went from under $5 to in excess of doubling that to 1087 closing on Friday. This is one that you're going to be watching tomorrow, Monday. Sorry, today's Saturday. The days are just getting, but yeah, so on Monday, watch this. It's going to be crazy. It's going to move. We are of the mind that this is going to move. So this is one to keep on your watch list. GLXY. Another one managed by the same management team is BTCG.U. This is on the Canadian Exchange, the CSE, and this closed on Friday at 15.56. There's a preferred shared instrument also on this security. The CI Bitcoin Fund is a closed-end investment fund incorporated in Canada. The fund's objective is to offer investors exposure to Bitcoin by investing directly into Bitcoin with the fund's holdings of Bitcoin priced based on Bloomberg GLXY Bitcoin Index, the BTC Index, a Bitcoin pricing source administered and calculated by Bloomberg. It's located on Queen Street down here in Toronto. So again, this is another one on Monday. This one's gonna run where we are of mind. This goes in line with the way Bitcoin trades, and Bitcoin has gone up above 29,000, and this closed at 1556 when it was 29,000. Now Bitcoin's higher. We'll see the way it goes Monday, but again, we are of the opinion that it will go higher. The next Bitcoin related stock I like to talk to you about is obviously one of the biggest miners, BTBT, Bit Digital. Bit Digital is one of the largest miners in the industry. Bit Digital operates as an online finance marketplace lending company. The firm engaged in the provision of short-term loans. Its online marketplace connects individual lenders with individuals and small business borrowers. The company was founded by Zing Zhen in November 2015 and is headquartered in Flushing, New York. So again, this is an entity that it's basically using its mining operations as a funding tool for small, medium-sized business, which is extremely intellectual. It's a really smart move. And again, if you look at this bad boy, that's the day chart. Let's look at the last month chart. There you go. As you can see, just before December 28th, this stock was below, it was around $5. It's quadrupled, okay? It's gone up 400% to 21.42. Again, this is in alignment with the way Bitcoin has been rising, and we truly believe that this is going to do the same thing that Bitcoin is doing. This is another one to put in your watch list for Monday. Last but not least, one of my favorites, CWRK, both trading on the CSC and on the OTC. Now, this one is a really new company, and the reason this one's unique, CurrencyWorks is working with Odyssey Trust and the Canadian Securities Exchange Exchange to announce a security token reporting system. This company is going to basically create a unique security token for all 600 Canadian Security Exchange companies that exist currently on the exchange right now, okay? Which is nuts. That's going to be totally a game changer, okay? So this one at, the price that it's at currently right now is a joke, because this came to us at, 20 cents? Maybe 3-4 weeks ago. It's at 40 odd some cents now. And I think it went all the way up to 60. Wait, let me just look this up real quick. Please be patient with me, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. There's the 1 month. Let's see. There you go. So this stock literally went from below 20 cents to upwards of 60 and found some balance. This is the Canadian ticker anyways, around 54. The American ticker right around 43. So yeah, at any rate, this is another entity that we strongly believe you should be putting on your watch list. This is a big one to pay attention to. CWRK, both on the OTC and on the CSC, okay? There's two other tickers I want to talk to you guys about. These are called what we call sub-penny or penny stock momentum trades. These are high-risk trades that usually happen around management changes, big material changes, or when clean shells get bought over. And one of the most unique ones that happened this year was TSNP, Tesoro Enterprises. This was a shell that was a construction company And just to read you a bit about what has happened, Tesoro Enterprises is a clean shell trading on the pink sheets. The company retained George Sharp as an advisor to help them find a merger candidate. Sharp was retained on October 28th when TSNP was trading triple zero, sub pennies, okay? 0.000 whatever below a penny. We knew that something big was brewing with the big uptick in volume and the total lack of sellers. As you can see from the chart below, many of our subscribers got in early and knew that the deal was going to be announced. We just didn't know it was going to be Humble. HUMBL. What started as a trade has now become an investment. And I want you guys to understand that, okay? That's part of the mentality that comes along with this. A lot of people, when they get into investing, they don't see the difference between a short-term trade and a long-term investment. And there's a big difference in those two, and we do both of them, right? We take trades that are mid-size, large-cap trades, Pfizer, BTBT, these are ones that we take as well as the smaller ones. This TSNP trade, I've taken this myself. We brought it to the community at 2.5 cents. Okay, this thing went up in excess of 36 cents. And you can see that by the chart here. Okay, you see Humble has the potential to become not only the next Venmo or Zelle, but also the next PayPal. Humble, the mobile app, delivers borderless transactions by integrating multiple currencies, payment methods, banks, and financial service providers into one-click customer. Humble provides great access to portability and is the only U.S. mobile wallet providers such as Venmo and Zelle. We didn't buy Humble for the 450 million digital customers using Apple PayPal, but for the 7 billion people for whom money has totally different set of global pathways, access points, and cost structures, according to the CEO of Humble, Brian Foote. So this is, again, something to keep on your radar, to pay attention to, because there's huge things going to be happening with this one. This one's gone from the sub-penny level. It could be going to the dollar level very soon. Same thing here. Actually, this one's a little bit different. This is a bit of a momentum trade. Artificial Intelligence Technology. Symbol AITX. This is trading on the OTC. And basically, this one is a really unique one. This one got introduced to us at a cent and went up to 4 cents. We've had members make 400% on this. It's at 3.5 cents now. This is another one we want you to keep on the radar, watch it, pay attention to it. What can go wrong at 3 cents? You know, we always say here at BFN, do not invest more than what you're willing to lose. And if you don't have the money to invest, don't get involved. We like people to open up accounts with their online banking platform. Quest Trade we recommend. And we don't really expect people to take on big, huge trades. We want people to take on trades that they're comfortable with. So we've had members come on in with, $200, $500, $1,000, triple it, quadruple it, 10 bag it, right? So, and we have members that are multimillionaires that put $100,000 into a TSNP and have it go up 500% and cash out. So we have them all shapes and sizes, and all we are here to do, again, we are not financial advisors, okay? We are here to educate the populace about potential emerging issuers in fundamental technical analysis, management, material, news releases, and trends that are disruptive trends. So if you're a company out there, if you're a crypto issuer, and you want to be seen and be heard, you definitely can contact us. We'll help you get that exposure that you're looking for. We have an investment club. We have a group of people. You want to join the club. You want to get involved. You could be sitting here watching videos, massive amount of videos, learning how to do trading. Unless you want to take action, a lot of people have goals for the New Year's. Everyone always says, they're going to do this, they're going to do that. Just to give you guys the heads up, this is my third day in 2021. This is my third video. Thank you for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, share the video. Be seen, be heard. If you're not watching, you're not winning. Thank you very much. God bless you all. This is Roger signing out from BFN, the Business Financial Network. Have a great day, okay? Take care. God bless.